money, or to spend their time to help others. How can we call heroes? Okay, Gustav. People always think positive, optimistic. Hadice, people laugh very often, don't laugh. Serious, good job. Okay, Gustav, your turn. We can trust. Biz bu cür insanlara her zaman güvene bilərik. Necə insanlar? İnanlı. Ne deyir ona? Reliable. Okay. Tell me, people enjoy telling jokes and funny stories. Fun loving. Okay, good. And one more time. People always tell the truth.
Her zaman doğruluğunu deyir.
Yes.
Honest.
Honest. Completely right. Okay. Who can tell me